and I own Fox and Son at the Reading Terminal Market. Today we're in City Kitchen at the Reading Terminal where I'm going to show you how to use our corn dog making kit. We have two versions of our kit that we sell right now. We have a version where it's ready to dip. The batter's made for you, the hot dogs are there, they're all stuck, everything is ready to go. Or we have a version, which I'm going to show today, where you get the mix to make your own corn dog batter. So we're going to start by putting together the batter itself, showing you how to stick and dip your dogs, fry them, and then have them ready to be eaten.